up, guys? Today we'll be learning about an essential topic in life. Exponents, or more commonly known as powers. Exponents are a key thing in life because let's say you had to multiply the number 10 by itself 4 times. You could go 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is quite long, or you could go 10 to the power of 4, which is the exact same as 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, but a lot faster. Let's get on to our first example, 9 to the power of 2. Any number to the power of 2 can be known as a number squared. 9 squared would be the exact same as the equation 9 times 9, which would be 81. Before we move on to another example, if you make a number to the power of 3, you can say the number and then say cubed. So for our next example, let's work out 5 to the power of 3, or 5 cubed. That means we have to do 5 times 5 times 5, and that's something most people couldn't do in about 2 seconds. First, let's do 5 times 5, which is 25. Now we have to do 25 times 5, which is 125. So that means 5 cubed is 125. Let's do a very quick and easy example. 97 to the power of 1. Now, you probably thought you had to multiply 97 by 1, and you would be correct. So that means 97 to the power of 1 is 97. Let's do another example. Let's do 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6 would be the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 cubed would be 27. 27 times 3 would be 81, which is 3 to the power of 4. 81 times 3 would be 243, and 243 times 3 would be 729, which is the same as 3 to the power of 6. Let's do another example. 65 to the power of 0. What you would think at first glance is that 65 to the power of 0 would be the answer to 65 times 0. But actually, any number to the power of 0 would actually be 1. So that means 65 to the power of 0 is actually 1. So that means 65 to the power of 0 is actually 1. I make posts of what videos I should make next, so please vote on them. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, peace out.